Whoa, what is this? Well, believe it or not, that is part of my method for packing carry-on only on a plane trip. I have been asked numerous and numerous times, how do I only travel with carry-on luggage? I mean, I've been gone as long as 21 days and still do carry-on. In less than a week, my husband and I are leaving on a dream trip. We're flying to Bali, Indonesia, staying a couple days, and then getting on a cruise ship. And we're going to go to other ports in Indonesia, to Vietnam, Thailand, and Singapore, and then fly home from Singapore. So it's about a 2-week trip, and I'm doing it all in carry-on bags. Let me show you how you can do it too. You know, the reason I like doing carry-on only is we don't have to wait in a long line at an airport to check our bags. And when we get to our destination and home, we don't have to wait for the luggage carousel. It's great. When you have carry-on, you always have it with you. You don't have to worry about having your luggage, it's not there. You're waiting at that carousel. It's going around and around and your luggage doesn't appear. Well, believe me, since often we're going on cruises, that could be disastrous. If it won't get there before we get on the cruise ship, we don't have our clothes. So we always do carry-on. Now, my packing method is not pretty, but it works for me, and I will show you how I pack my carry-on. First, what I start with is what you saw in the beginning there. It's what I call my pile approach. I just come by and throw something in there, maybe even up to 2 months before I'm leaving. Whenever I think of something I might need, goes in the pile. So when I'm carrying in the items from my pile to usually the dining room table where I organize things, I put clothes and such next to the carry-on luggage, and then other things like electronics and maybe umbrellas, things like that, next to the carry-on personal item bag. Then a week or two before I'm leaving, I actually try on the clothing part, you know, the outfits, and see what I want to pack. Yeah, and I don't think I need it. So those that are no-go are purged. So that's part of the purging process. And I also look over all the other items I'm bringing to decide, do I really need them? Now, I'm sure if you've watched my videos, you know I am by no means a style diva. My idea of going on vacation is wearing things that are comfortable. And I carry no jewelry with me because I never wear any jewelry. I don't even have pierced ears. So I don't have to worry about that. And as for scarves and belts and all those kinds of accessories, again, just don't do it. I'm there to be comfortable and enjoying my vacation. Now, time for pack and compress. Now, you'll notice right here, I love this carry-on candy. It just attaches to my case. And here, it's all the things that I might have to take out, the liquids. So, but it makes it so easy to grab it when I need to in line. Oh, and if you can see, this is how that carry-on caddy works. But when I looked online, I don't think they're selling it anymore. But maybe you could find something similar. It's just great if you have to take out all your liquids. Oh, and here's, yes, that's my packing buddy there. Okay, let's see, what's here at top? Oh, well, this is going to be my refresher kit, and I'll have a video on that in a little bit. Okay, yep, little underwear up there. Well, remember all the tops? The ones I'm taking fit in here. I'll unpack them in a minute. I have my sunglasses. And again, I'll unpack this in a minute. And then just a nightgown, some white slacks, and a little bit more comfortable, stretchy black slacks. So for slacks, I have jeans, these black slacks, and the white ones, because basically they can go with just about any color top that I'm bringing. Want to guess on how many tops I got in here? I think you'll be surprised. And I probably could fit another one. Okay, now where we're going, it is going to be the temps in the high 80s to 90s. So I only need lightweight tops, and that is going to save a lot of room. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So here are all 9 tops. And that gives me quite a bit of versatility. And you know what? I could even pack a couple more. So now I got them packed all back in here. And we just stretch this. Let's see, it's on this side. See, isn't it amazing how much can get in one of these compression bags? There we go. You know, when I went to Iceland, I needed heavy sweaters and coats, things of that nature. And so I really used a lot of compression bags. But this time, considering what the weather is going to be, I really don't need to. But I do love these compression bags. They just save so much room and keep everything organized. Now what's in the other one? Okay, well this one has a swimsuit, 3 pairs of socks, and a bunch of underwear. And I'm just going to talk a little bit about this. This is my travel underwear, but it's so, light, airy. If you're washing it in the sink, it really dries fast. So it's called Vinoxy. I have a link down below. I got it on Amazon. I just really like how it hardly takes up any room, washes so easy in the sink, and no panty lines. So how many do I have in here? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will have to do wash on the cruise ship, but still not bad. And I have plenty of room in this bag. I could put in more if I needed to. So in this main bag, we just have those 2 pairs of slacks, my nightgown, my 9 tops right here, and then right here, some undies, socks, and that's it. Oh, and my sunglasses. So I have room for more. I could bring another pair of shoes if I want to, maybe a sweater top just in case it's cooler on the deck at night. So I have, or maybe it will be just for souvenirs that I buy for people back home when I'm on the trip. So yeah, look at all the room you save with these little bags. Now I'm just laying on top. I have jeans, I have my shoes, socks, underwear, and a top. And that's what I'm going to be wearing on the plane. And I try to keep things that I might need for on my flight in the personal carry-on bag. So this is my carry-on that goes under the seat. Let's see what we got. Do we have anything right here? We do. Aha. Easy to access. 2 disposable rain pouches. Saves room rather than bringing a raincoat. Let's look in this pouch over here. Well, Kleenex always comes in handy. Oh yeah. And here's here's my travel kit. It has so much in it. As you can see, and yes, I have a video on it. I'll leave a link below. But it's easy to access, just in case all of a sudden I need a stain remover, tweezers, something like that. Because you do want to think of, when you put stuff in your bag, what am I going to access the most? So what can I reach easily? So that's it for here. Let's just look right here. About right here. Okay, so here are some travel documents. These are e-visa to get into Indonesia. And this is my Kindle, which again, I would want to be able to reach it easily when I'm on the plane. Okay, let's just turn it over before we go inside. So anything here? Yep. Okay, and this, which my husband could wear this in a belt right inside for money if he wanted to, but it has our passports, yeah, and our global travel entry. So again, very convenient on the outside when I need to grab it. And then there is this here. And okay, that's just for my laptop. Again, so I can easily get it when I'm on the plane. Let's go inside. Oops, wrong one. You know, when you have so many zippers, you can get confused which zipper you're supposed to use. And I like how it opens up. I may be putting some stuff here in the top, but I haven't yet. So, okay. I always like having some notebooks in case I have some ideas for videos, and pens come in handy. So this is an underwater camera. We are going to be doing a little snorkeling. Okay, this, yeah, it's a lot of different, like this is for seasickness, and then in case you have a dental emergency, Band-Aids, and then let me open it up on that. So this has some Pepto-Bismol in it, earplugs, some Tylenol, and this has even more. Okay. I've got Advil, Aleve, Pepsid, Rolaids, Benadryl, Imodium, just in case. Okay, and this is my very flashy colored little fanny pack, and it's what I carry my camera around in. Okay, and this, well, let's see if it, you know what, I don't want to take it out, but believe me, this is what I curl my hair with. And then this is a very sturdy, it's actually very heavy, but it's supposed to be good in high winds too, and we are going at the end of the rainy season, so this is made by Tamela. Again, I'll have links down below. And this is the first time I'm trying it. Of course, you could keep this on the outside of your bag too, but it's called the Be Cozy, and hopefully, using it, I can sleep on a plane. Because we have, I think, over 24 hours in airports and on planes just on the way out there, and I think even more on the way home. Okay, this is a little mini tripod. This is a lot of my camera gear. Well, and this is a shaver, some magnets that can go up on the wall when the cruise room. And then, yeah, it's got a lot of different stuff in it. Whoops, yeah. You never know if you have to use this to keep a luggage together. And, yep, it has one of the, I'll wear this on the cruise for my card to get back into my room or charge something. And then this, something I always bring, it's called sink suds. And then it actually comes with a little, well, it's not really a plunger, but something you put over in the sink's drain. So it keeps water in, and that's how I do my wash when I'm on the cruise ship. Okay, and lastly, we've got this. And this is my electrical bag. Okay. Oops, these are converters for Indonesia. And as you can see, I have all kinds, there's my earbuds, all kinds of stuff here. This pocket. And then I got another one here. So here I have my phone charger. But this keeps it all nice. If I need a cord, I know where it is. It's right here. Fits everything except for my laptop cord. Okay, that's it. But isn't it amazing how much you can fit? And if you didn't have to bring a camera, wow, look at the space you would save, right? Or an umbrella. I mean, I really love this little carry-on, personal carry-on. And yeah, it can fit on your back too. I mean, it just really fits a lot, and I think all the different compartments really are helpful. Link below for this too. I also love how there's a strap on the back. I don't know, let's see if I can get you down good enough. Okay, see how there's a strap here? So I don't have to have it on my back. It easily goes back and forth. Really like this bag. And as for my carry-on suitcase, that is made by Swanee. I don't even know if they still make them. I think I've had it over 35 years, and it's still, look at that, moves just wonderful. So sometimes it pays to buy a little bit more expensive luggage because it lasts year after year after year. So there you have it. It's my messy, but yet ultimately organized packing method for only doing carry-on luggage. What method do you use? Can you suggest some changes? You know, it works for me, but will it work for you? And don't forget to pack your EDC travel kit. Remember, adventure awaits.